56 years old, and this is what my office looks like. Some people would call it a midlife crisis. I call it cheaper than a sports car and a lot less likely to get me killed. Welcome to the sim room. A quick room tour today. I'll show you the flight rig, the hybrid racing and combat rig, and a few little other trinkets as well that make me really enjoy the space in here. Let's start over there at the flight rig. This is my flight corner, a Cessna 172 G1000, full glass cockpit as you can see, coupled with a force feedback yoke. I absolutely love this space, and this is where I do the bulk of my GA based flying. Most of the time I'm using the flat screens, and I love the flat screens for the wraparound that it provides me. But if I ever want to go into more full immersion, well then we go virtual reality. Pick up the Quest 3 and off we go. And this thing absolutely rocks. In my opinion, one of the best bang for buck VR headsets that you can get on the market. I've set this up not just for functional based flying, but also to allow me a little bit of a workspace for my streaming antics and when I'm having a little bit of fun. Small little custom based desk here, stream deck in the corner, and we are ready to go. Oh, notwithstanding the nice boom mic that sits behind me as well. I have an iPad mini accessory as well that I keep with the sim, and I park it basically on top of the glare shield right there. Comes in really handy for those flight plans and flight charts. This entire cockpit has been built up and based on a Fusion 360 three-dimensional CAD model, and I use it to this very day if I'm making upgrades and changes to the sim. There are some days though where I'm done with the flying bit and I just want to get down on the ground, four wheels going fast around the track, hitting it with the best, or at least trying to be. That's where the racing rig comes into play. This is my hybrid racing and combat simulation based rig. In here, I've got a 4K flat screen right in front of me, Fanatec based direct drive force feedback wheel set, and everything else in between on a tubular frame. Absolutely really great immersion. But when I'm done with the racing side of it, I simply pull the wheel out of the way, lock it into place, grab the wheel set off, swing my swing-based keyboard out of the way, and we are into HOTAS-based control with the newly installed Moser AB6 and the MTQ. This stuff is really great, and as I basically do this today, I'm still dialing this in, but it is fantastic. Racing in flat screen, combat in flat screen. But I don't necessarily have to do it in the flat screen either. If I want to, I can go full virtual reality for my racing and for the combat flying. It is a complete hybrid mix in this sim room. Flat screen, virtual, be it GA, be it racing, or be it combat flight simulation. Really great fun. Now it's no secret, this stuff can get very expensive. Just ask anyone who's got a complex setup. It's not cheap. The PC alone costs many thousands of dollars because it's high-end based PC. And to run two of them, well, that would be an absolute nightmare, albeit I'd love to do it. So this entire setup runs off a single PC. That PC mounted behind the flight rig, and everything is reticulated through. This entire rig talks directly to the flight-based PC over the back there. Full flexibility. Inspired by the television show Top Gear, When friends and family come over to the house, well, I like to get them parked into the racing rig and fire up the games. Here's the leaderboard, people coming over, and we record their names. It's amazing how people are so competitive. We leave the names up on the leaderboard, and every time they come back, it's the first thing they ask for. Can we have another crack and beat that lap time? Really cool addition to the sim room. A built-in wardrobe off to the back there where I like to keep all of my boxes for the bits that I've bought over the years. You never know when you may want to on-sell. Spare monitors, PSVR2, cables, Allen keys and bits and pieces. All ready to go for the sim room. Midlife crisis? Probably. But if so, I'll take it. There it is, the flight rig and the hybrid racing and combat rig itself. I hope you enjoyed it. It was an overview. If you would like a real big deep dive tour, it'd be a long one, let me know in the comments down below and I'm happy to put one together. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do me a big favour, smash that like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, hit the subscribe. Would do a great deal for me and it would push this video out for others to see. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Really enjoyed making it, and I'll catch up with you guys on the next one. And when I'm done with racing, we clip this and start again.